Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, we'll be making spicy potato soup in the Instant Pot and grilled cheese buns. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I have the recipe written down below, how to make this spicy potato soup in the Instant Pot. And I'll have the link down below how to make the grilled cheese buns from Cooking TV. I'll leave a link down below how to find that recipe. First, we're going to get started on our grilled cheese buns because we need to put our cheese in the freezer for 2 hours. You're going to need 16 cubed 1-inch squares. So I have my pastry knife. I'm just going to measure right there. Put a line, and we're just going to cut straight down. Here's our knife, and slice down. Use this one to make for our measurements. And we're going to cut straight down and continue till we got the whole block cut. Cut each block into 3s. Again, measure. You want 1 inch. See if you can see my knife right there. I'm measuring. See, 1 inch, 2, and 3. You should get 4 out of each one. And we continue till they're all done. After we finish cutting all the cheese, we're going to put on a parchment paper, put them in the freezer for 2 hours. We're going to stick these in the freezer for 2 hours. And in 2 hours, we'll start our spicy sausage potato soup. And now it's time to make our spicy sausage and potato soup. We're going to need to put our Instant Pot on saute. So saute, and I just let mine start. Some of them you have to press saute, then start. When it says hot, this is when we're going to add our sausage. Got hot, we're going to add our sausages, like mixed sausages. So I have mostly spicy and a little bit of Italian sausage. We're going to add that to our pot. Half a pound of sausage, because I'm using a 3-quart. I'm doing half the recipe, but if you're doing a full recipe, you'll need 1 pound. You want to make sure you scrape the bottoms so you don't have anything sticking. I need 1 tablespoon of garlic. Half an onion. I have red onions, so I'm just using those. You usually use white. I'm going to put a teaspoon of smoked paprika in. Mix that in. We're just going to toast that just for a little bit. Then we're going to add our potatoes and our chicken broth. Calls for 4 medium potatoes. For me, it would be 2 medium potatoes because mine were small. I cut up 4 of them. Just getting a little bit off. Don't want anything where it doesn't. You want to make sure your top is cleared off so it doesn't give you a burn notice and it seals properly. So we just get everything down. Going to press cancel. We're going to add our chicken broth. I only need 2 cups. I made a little more enough just in case I wanted more broth. 2 cups. We are going to put our lid on and we're going to pressure cook for high for 10 minutes. Pressure cook. I don't know if you can see this. And where is it? High. 10 minutes. And we just let it be until it's done. Oh, and make sure you have it pressed to the ceiling. And now it's time to get started with our grilled cheese cheddar bombs. You're going to need melted butter. You're going to need your garlic salt or garlic herb seasoning, which I got. Or you can make garlic salt and add a little bit of herb seasoning to it. I'm going to put in three small spoons. Get my stirring stick and we're going to stir this up. I'm going to, instead of putting oil on my pan, I'm going to use my garlic herb butter and just wipe my parchment paper with it. I think it'll give a really good flavor. Don't have to go nuts, just a little bit goes a long ways. So, we're going to put this aside on our cutting board. We're using Grand's biscuits. Take them out. We're going to cut each one of them in half. Careful, don't cut your hand. Our Instant Pot just came to pressure. Like that. I like cutting all mine up, so the next step is just like one after the other. I think it's faster. But do what you like, what works for you. So we're going to take our biscuit, we're going to take our cube cheese that we froze earlier, we're going to put it in the middle, and we're just going to fold it over. You want to make sure you have no holes, so you're going to want to pinch everything shut so the cheese won't leak out. There. And we're going to put it on our cookie sheet. Let's see if I can get some of these from the front. Okay. Remember, they will grow. Oops. If you get a broken piece, just try to close it up like that, like mine did. And the seam side is going to be down. Okay. That looks all spread out evenly there. And we're just going to wipe the tops of each one. Now we're going to put these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And our Instant Pot just got the pot is done. We're going to press release. We're going to release the pressure. Now it's done pressure releasing. I'm going to cancel, and I'm just going to put on keep warm. Keep it on keep warm until our grilled cheese bombs are done. I forgot to press record. Oops. I put salt and pepper in it to taste. We add heavy whipping cream to taste, or you can use half and half to taste if you like. So I poured a little bit in until I got the consistency I like. I don't want too much in. Then I put in 1 cup of baby spinach. We are going to cook this until the spinach is wilted down. I cannot believe I forgot to press record. But basically that's what I did. You ideally want to add salt and pepper when you add your paprika. That was another oops. I can't believe my day. I'm not just having one of those days. Our cheddar cheese bombs, our grilled cheddar cheese bombs are done, and they bombed out. So I guess it's an epic fail, but probably still going to be delicious. Oops. Oh well. Like I said, they're going to be probably really good anyway, so life happens. It's time to dish up. To our bowl, I'm going to add some soup. It is nicely wilted and bright green. It's hard to do everything on my camera. Here, see if I can turn you. There you go. Get some of my vegetables. It does look really good. I'm going to press cancel. Cancel. Move it out of the way. Put it on my plate. Or cheddar cheese bombs. Maybe I got some of them lucky. They're all together. If not, they look like skirts. Oh. I forgot I was going to add some butter. Really having one of those days. But as long as everything tastes good, you're happy at the end, your family's happy, you had a good meal. Okay, let's wipe these down too, before I forget. Okay. I have one that actually exploded. They actually look good to me. Put that there. Okay. Finally, the best part. It is time to eat our spicy sausage potato soup with our cheddar cheese bombs. It does look really good and smells amazing in here. And now it's time to try our spicy sausage potato soup along with our grilled cheddar cheese bombs. It smells amazing in here and everything looks really good. Let's give the soup a taste. Mmm. 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 So good. A little bit of the sweet Italian sausage along with the spicy. and the broth and the potatoes. It's great together. Let's give a try of our cheddar cheese bomb. They kind of bombed out, but they work. They're a little cheesy. It's still a little bit cheesy in the middle. Mmm. Okay, I died and went to heaven. Mmm. And our little soup. Mmm. Mmm. It tastes like cheesy biscuits, but really good with the soup. It complements it nicely. Goes along with the spice, everything. So good. And it was fairly easy to make. This really is a must-try recipe. It was very fast, very easy. It took about an hour to make it all, not counting the time we froze the cheese. That took 2 hours to freeze, but you could freeze it, or you could freeze it in the morning or day before and have it ready after work. It's great because we're always so busy, and I'm just having one of those days where my mind is not all there. Oops. But it tastes great. The food came off beautifully. It's delicious. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny RV Cooking. Please leave a comment down below for any great recipes that you have made of mine. Leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!